1,900 subscribers already. If you've been struggling to get your 1,000 subscribers organically and faster on YouTube, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how I got 1,000 subscribers in just 3 days. It's very easy to get, guys. I will show you 2 ways. The second one really pushed my subscribers from 10 to 1,500. I was shocked because it worked like magic. This is my evidence here. I am not capping. I know you've been trying, posting videos and hoping the numbers will grow, but you are stuck under 10 to 50 subscribers. I've been there too, but once I discovered the strategies I'm about to share, everything changed. It can change for you too if you follow every step I'm about to share. And by the end of this video, you will know the simple steps that will take you from struggling to finally celebrating your 1,000 subscribers within 2 to 3 days. So stick around and let's get started. My name is Jovita Ome, and the first method to get your 1,000 subscribers faster is by using Google and Instagram. Log into your Instagram. If you don't already have Instagram on your phone, go to Play Store or Apple Store and download it. After downloading, sign up or log in. This is what the interface looks like. Click on the search icon at the bottom and it will take you to the explore page. Scroll through and look for an eye-catching video that can grab people's attention. You can also search for AI videos by typing AI videos. This will bring out plenty of engaging content. Select any video of your choice, but make sure it's something that captures attention quickly or keeps viewers in suspense. Avoid choosing videos that look too fake so that YouTube doesn't flag them. I selected this one to keep viewers in suspense because they want to know if the big AI lady is going to survive the swing. After selecting the one you want, click on this short arrowhead like you want to share the video. It's going to bring out this add story, WhatsApp, share, copy link. Click copy link. If you see copy, then know that you've copied the link. Minimize and open your Google Chrome like so. Click on the search bar. Type and search Instagram downloader. It's going to bring out so many Instagram video saver for you. Choose any one you like. For me, I use Snap Insta, so I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, it's going to load and bring out this. Remember the Instagram link we copied? Click on this paste here and the Instagram link will be pasted from your clipboard. After pasting, click on this download. It's going to load for some time. Note that you can use any app you feel like using to download. Some people use Reposty, some use InstaSaver and co. After loading, scroll up. You are going to see the video. Click download video and choose where to download. It will start downloading. You can check here to see the downloading progress. Once that is done, you minimize and open CapCut. If you don't know what CapCut is, open your Play Store or App Store. Type CapCut. This is the CapCut. Install it. Mine is showing open because I already have the app on my phone. Please pay close attention here because what I'm about to show you is what you need to do so YouTube doesn't flag your video for copyright. Go ahead and open your CapCut. Click here to close this. This is the CapCut interface. Click on new project and select the video we just downloaded. Click on this ad below and as you can see, the video has been imported. So what you need to do here is to edit the video. Let's start with text. Check down here and look for this text T. Click on it to bring out these text features. Click add text and type something that will attract people and make them to keep watching. Something like, wow, this is shocking. You need to see this. Watch this now. Add surprised emoji too. You can decide to change the font, the style. You can also add animation to grab more attention. After that, check out for this volume and reduce the volume. Extend the text to last long throughout the video. Come down here again and find speed. You can decide to either make it fast or slow. Play around the editing tools just to make the video different. This is animation. You can try them out one after the other. I like this one, so I will stick to it. Check down again for adjustment. Here you can increase or reduce the brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness and the rest. You can even change the color of the address if you want. Just play around with it and touch it up to your taste. You can play the video to make sure you are getting what you want. Mine is changing already. I decided to add another text. It can be your logo or you can write anything at all. You can even type something just to cover up the write-up in the video. Adjust it and place it anywhere you want. After editing to your taste, click on this export up here. It will automatically save in your gallery. After exporting, minimize and open your YouTube. Click on this plus sign below. Scroll and select short. Click on this add. Select the edited video, not the first one we downloaded earlier. Select Click next. Confirm that it's the right video. You can make it shorter if you don't like the ending part. Then click done. It will start processing. After processing, it will take you to the editing page. Click on add sounds so you can use YouTube music only to avoid copyright strike. Please go for trending sounds. It will help push out your short. See this first one. It has like 20 million users. You can scroll up to search for the one you want. I like this friendship song, so I selected it. Tap on the song again to adjust. If the beginning is not what you like, you can shift it to the middle or even towards the end. Just choose the part of the song that sounds best to you. If you want to change the song, tap on it here and choose another one. Click on this volume control button to adjust the volume. If your video has sound, reduce it from here and leave the YouTube song. There is option for you to add text here if you want. There is option to adjust the timing of the text too. You can bring it down, use it to cover this CapCut logo down here. After that, you click next. Here, click on this small pencil icon to adjust and select your cover photo. Adjust it from here and choose the parts that will keep people in suspense. I will leave this one as my cover photo because she's at the edge of falling and they would love to know what happens next. After that, go ahead and type your caption. Before I upload, I want to show you guys another way in case you don't want the CapCut. This method, you don't need to download any app to edit your video. So after finding a video on Instagram, copy the link to Google and download with Snap Insta. Open your YouTube, click on the plus button and select the downloaded Instagram video. After processing, go ahead and select any song. From the volume controller, adjust the volume. This first one up here, reduce the Instagram video to 0 and increase the YouTube sound to 100%. Click on this A and add eye-catchy word, maybe wow or watch this. Click on the text to adjust the timing. You can add another text. Let me add pancake. Shift it down or place it anywhere you want to place it in the video. In case you want to say something about the video, click on this and use the voice-over recording to add your own voice if you want. Just change everything you want on this section. Change the video and convert it to your taste. This is for people that don't want CapCut or people that don't want to download CapCut. Although me, I prefer using CapCut. After editing, click next. Remember to choose an eye-catchy cover photo by clicking on this pencil icon. After selecting, go ahead and type in your caption. Remember to use hashtag. Just 1 or 2 is okay. Hashtag shorts, hashtag short video, anyone. Next, click on this visibility. You can select public if you want your video to upload immediately, but it's advised to use shadow if you want your video to perform better. So click shadow, select time and date. Schedule it for the next day. Time can be morning or night. After scheduling, next click select audience and select no, it's not meant for kids. If you have another channel and want to collaborate, you can use this invite a collaborator. Next is altered content. Please open it and select yes if your video is unrealistic or if your video is an AI video. If it's not an AI video, select no. Please don't forget to select yes for your AI videos so YouTube doesn't put your channel at risk. After confirming everything, before I upload this short, please make sure to do what I'm about to tell you. This method gave me a lot of subscribers. It's the second method I mentioned earlier and it worked like magic for me. I was uploading 4 to 6 videos every day. So for you to get your 1000 subscribers within 3 days, you have to upload 4 to 6 videos every day. It's how much video you upload that actually fastens the process. Unless you don't want it faster, then you can be uploading anyhow you want. 4 to 6 videos worked for me. It's not that hard. Use this Google and Instagram method to download like 6 or 7 different eye-catchy videos every day. Edit the videos by using text to type something on the video and also change the video song by using only YouTube recommended songs. Schedule them, one by 6 a.m, maybe the second one 8 a.m, third 10 a.m, fourth by 2 p.m, the fifth one 5 p.m, the sixth one can be 7 or 8 p.m. Note that you can post anytime you want to anyone that works for you actually. Maybe post 4 in the morning, you can leave afternoon time and post the remaining 3 or 4 towards evening or night. Do this with eye-catchy videos for 3 days and see the magic for yourself. So go ahead and click upload short. While it's uploading, let me tell you guys another trick. After getting your 1000 subscribers, please try and delete those shorts And also stop uploading them. If you don't delete them, they will keep giving you subscribers, and this will affect your long form videos along the line, unless you don't care about long form videos. Remember, the subscribers you get using this method, they are not watching your long form videos. So you only need that 1000 subscribers to tick the first YouTube monetization requirement, which is 1000 subscribers. After getting it, stop using this method. Delete those shorts and focus on your long form videos, which is the most important to get your 4000 watch hours. If you keep them, they won't watch your long form videos. They will just scroll and pass, which is sending a bad signal to YouTube. Another thing is, if you want to monetize your YouTube channel, you need to get this 1000 subscribers within 1 year. 1000 watch hours is the last one that will qualify you for YouTube monetization. It's not that hard to get because I achieved it within 2 months, and I will show you the simple trick I used to achieve this 4000 watch hours faster. Click on this picture to subscribe now and on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Please like this video if this was helpful, share it with your friends, and drop a nice comment. Thank you so much for watching till now. I will see you in my next one. Bye.